welcome to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. And today we are diving into a significant event that could shape the future of international relations and the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Today we will discuss the Ukrainian President Zelensky's upcoming visit to the United States, where he will present his victory plan to key American leaders, including President Joe Biden, Vice President Kamala Harris, and former President Donald Trump. This visit is not just a routine diplomatic mission. Is it a critical moment for Ukraine as it navigates the complex landscape of war and peace? So Zelensky arrives in the United States at a time of intense conflict and uncertainty. The war between Ukraine and Russia has continued for over 1 year and a half, and the stakes have never been higher. Zelensky victory plans aims to strengthen Ukraine's positions in this ongoing struggle. One of the main objectives of this plan is to pursue the US and its allies to allow Ukraine to use long-range missiles supplied by the US to target strategic locations deep within the Russian territory. This is not a joke. This shift in military strategy could democratically alter the dynamics of the war, giving Ukraine the capability to strike back more effectively against Russian aggressions. Zelensky's request comes as the United States is preparing a new military aid package valued at $375 million. This package is a part of our ongoing support for Ukraine, which has heavily on Western assistance to fend off Russian advances. The Ukrainian leaders have stressed that the upcoming months will be very crucial in determining the outcome of the war. In a recent post on social media platform X, he stated that this autumn is a portal and that he hopes to secure commitments that will help solidify Ukrainians' defense and lead to a potential victory. In this plan, Zelensky has highlighted three critical elements. First, securing more weapons donations from the United States and its allies. This includes not only the long-range missiles that Ukraine has been requesting, but but also other advanced military equipment that can enhance Ukraine's defensive and offensive capability. The goal is to ensure that Ukrainian forces are well equipped to counter any future offensives by Russian troops. The second element of Zelensky plan focuses on diplomatic efforts. He intends to push for the new negotiations that could pressure Russia into agreeing to a peaceful resolution to the conflict. Given the extensive suffering caused by the war, Zelensky aims to highlight the urgent need for a ceasefire and a diplomatic solution that can bring lasting peace to the region. The third one, perhaps most significant aspects of his plan is accountability. Zelensky wants to hold Russia responsible for its actions since the full-scale invasion began in Feb 2022. This includes seeking justice for war crime and committed against the Ukrainian people. Ukrainian peoples, the Ukrainian government has gathered extensive evidence of these violations, and Zelensky is determined to ensure that those responsible are brought to justice. As he prepared for his meeting in the US, Zelensky faces the challenges on multiple fronts. In recent weeks, Russian President Vladimir Putin has issued warning to Western countries regarding the provision of long-range missiles to Ukraine. Putin stated that if these missiles are used, it could be interpreted as NATO's directly involvement in this conflict, which raises the stakes for all parties involved. This reflects the growing tensions and the potential for escalations if Western nations decide to further arm Ukraine. When President Biden was asked about the possibility of allowing Ukraine to use long-range missiles weapons, he responded with a firm no. This response underscores the complexities of the situation as the US seeks to balance support for Ukraine with concerns about the escalating tensions with Russia. Former President Donald Trump has also made headlines with his comments regarding Ukraine, known his critical stance on US supports for Ukraine. Trump recently mentioned that he would probably meet with Zelensky if he were to become president again. It's a shocking statement. If he were to become president again, he has previously claimed that he could end the war within just 24 hours. Although details on how he would achieve this remains vague, Trump's comments highlight the differing perspectives on the foreign policies among US leaders and how these perspectives could influence the future of US-Ukraine relations. During his visit to the US, Zelensky expressed gratitude for the support Ukraine has received thus far, particularly from the United States since the onset of the war. The US has emerged as Ukraine's largest foreign donor, providing approximately $56 billion in military and humanitarian assistance. This support has been vital for Ukraine as it defends against Russian aggressions. After arriving the United States on Sunday, Zelensky took the opportunity to visit munitions factory in Pennsylvania, a facility involved in producing weapons and ammunition for the Ukrainian military. This visit underscores the importance of American manufacturing in supporting Ukraine's war effort and serves as a reminder of the ongoing commitment of US allies to Ukraine's cause. Following his meeting in Washington, Zelensky is scheduled to travel to New York City for a planned meeting of the United Nations. Also Security Council. They will have the opportunity to address world leaders and discuss the whole situation in Ukraine and the General Assembly. His speech is expected to emphasize the need for continued international support for Ukraine and the urgency of addressing the humanitarian crisis resulting from the war. In conclusion, Zelensky's visit to the US is more than just a diplomatic formality. It represents a critical moment in the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. His victory plan is a comprehensive approach aimed at securing military support, advancing diplomatic efforts, and holding Russia accountable for its action. As the situation continues to evolve, the world watches very closely to see how these discussions will shape the future of Ukraine and the broader geopolitical landscape. I think that's it for today. Thank you for joining me on the episode of Global Scope News. I am Mohsen Ali, and if you found this video insightful, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on global events and important news. Your supports very help us continues to bringing you the information as you need it. Thank you. That's it for today. Take care.